What's up, everybody? Jeff with PolarPro introducing you to our new Mavic Air Cinema Series filters. It's the middle of winter up here in Alaska. It's really cold, and we're gonna see how many glaciers we can shoot in the next 7 hours, starting now. All right, location 1 was a little too windy to fly, so we have 6 hours and 20 minutes left. We're gonna quickly head back down to the car and move on to location 2. Let's send it. So the Cinema Series uses a production grade glass with a super low refractive index. The refractive index basically measures the amount that light bends as it passes through a glass element. The lower the refractive index, the less light bends, meaning sharper images. All right, location 2, we are here. The weather is cooperating, there is no wind. So let's get this bird in the air. When shooting into the sun like this, occasionally you're gonna get some lens flaring. And lens flaring is basically when light goes through the lens, scatters before it hits the sensor, and completely destroys an image. So we actually put 8 layers of anti-reflective coating on each side of the Cinema Series glass. What that does is it just reduces the amount of reflections going on after the light passes through, and that'll give you a much cleaner, sharper image. Woo, my adrenaline is pumping. That's the first glacier I've ever shot. That was awesome. We've got 2.5 hours left. We've got 3 miles back to the car, so we gotta get moving. With our filters, we make sure that all of the color profiles are perfectly neutral. That way, when you're grading in post, you don't have to make any color adjustments. And we like that, spending less time grading and more time planning your next mission. And speaking of missions, we've got 2 minutes left, so this is gonna be the last scene, so let's get this bird in the air again. Well, there's no glaciers here, but how could we pass this up? We ended up seeing one really sweet glacier today and saw some unbelievable scenery. I wish we had more than 7 hours, but we'll have to come back and shoot a little bit more. These moments aren't permanent. In fact, they're already gone. And that's why we put so much into these filters. And that's why we pursue to capture perfection.